Ebusia say uram o media no so dia ene to park na so ayehye papa na team legal wise no wo mo de na to ehoro no etwimoko bone edigu to park ho na message we direct to honorable to park na Ebusia yenwura mu na yenti ensem no na gina so eche wa adwene se de bia meka no ene wo ye team side checker wo video no na wa che wa adwene comment section wo ye team legal wife ene ye maame Akosua Serwaa na wache wadwene comment section wo na emum no se wo yetim koyo nso ene papa si na wogina so ache wadwene Abusua yemwa mu niente message a ye de amane to park
Odo Bronii, stay the fuck away from Akosua. Pokle ni man when you na sis asa when I stick at the babu ni pants because mama Akosua say yen twitwa sa ni ma we nyina so ba me e bufu ati ase ye mo mpe no ene ebeye na medi kan ka kire mo se me panyini bi obesori bia ebeji mo nsam he mo hwe manim panyini bi obesori ebeji mo nsam me de bia me sim mu nipa bia wo wi ase de bia me fa nipa nya hwesa no mo ni mo wo de mo musa na mo mafia no krade on was started and say me dem di free afu na me obi ma me wo no ma yese me ban na me fa nipa nya hwera me pie fra sama ma yese
hey
me ma me wo me ban ma yese me mu
wano achia na oba
you understand what I'm saying? Me ban
yeah we understand
ma yese take me a month asana ma no tene me fa nipa nya hwera but e ka kire mo e me se na ma me release venom na me release am abachi mo nsam.
It's a poison, no.
You believe it, no, but Jimun some may say, Mumma Fiasho or Stati a year. You're free from Banya Channel. Your money pepia, your penny pen, your foco. Do you have Musaki Cabana? And what you, Mum, and when I will pay Papa once more, and would you a mum pet? As I saw Wabrecum, Mum, what you mum, Pump some Sabbath, I don't want to Sabbath yet the day one, like another year more. Kai, you're a shimo.
Hey.
Momo di Omusubano, Omupeke and say, me say the banana me want to take me a month, maybe I'm watch ya. You thought you had a she, maybe by the to me, Diano, a bloodless, a yes, sir. Some funny panashi.
Funny panashi.
Miss Ramo, Mamma may start. Now about the Panubu, Papa, I want to much share hellfire.
To park no.
I just want to almost
to park is more
bro, like me, I'm done, Mama, cause hell, you get cats, mother.
Kai, where Rasta woman? Yanko. I can't. We jai. Seriously, me jai. We jai.
Pama busa about me feni panya shi. Na me say go bia me na ma mianga me ma adakaka. Me di adaka no. Me wedding but too because me say me buka ni pamba. Woni mo, you would people ha me show me me bullshit, me bitch.
Hey, wan kasa we do adaka.
Me na go nsa me nya denden ko, me na di ma me ho so wote. Sobra betcha me. What's your catamount so fee sasa your campon coso?
Hey,
I feel I know I want to papa penna or sent me now. Or cassa I said a rectangle number, you know. Figure no. Because I know 10, because I'm 10.
Now to park and I say,
Papa, you're premo the lines. No, you're tired of your fake life, no.
Hey, we're there to park a share.
Oh, like that, Mama Banamidi. Mimi Hunipa, one Papa Penina, what Jimmy and I don't hear me one. Penny for more Jimmy, cause how I yet to see a man. Hey, I am one. What do you be bonny say? I'm for when young to Papa Cocra. What dinny bonnet? What dinny bonnet? So one some nano metchia. Yes, I pass a yes, I put a pass why my dear do for cheer. Now, piano, so the time in the month on the beer. Share Sanyam and your mom say any sound, but as some say no. To me, men pardon for
Hey, Akosua for hiti. Abusua, enti Tupac me say de wo pen ho an wo nyan de Tupac e pen ho an na o nyan uze say de me say akokọ si bo so pa de Tupac case na akọje kikereke case na bakọ something ho is there e de ma Abusuapanin Tupac na abusua yenti kwaku Kristo e wo this side
penso e be si we na yeso obi de baba jama wo so pe the MP over our dead rotten bodies scammer te sewo scammer ati sewo chinchim ekunafo nsaje omo ne ma ma omo te sewo yenkotwa ntro nware obi e ma wofo te sewo wo ba be pe MP adi wo Ghana say politicians mo yese Abusuapanin mo fa Ghana fo nyina so obi agimi obi anim nyansa beboa awo baba jama de udi MP wo Ghana wo kwa ka Ghana no na yese nyekuro comfort sewo that the Lumba letter the man say owu amona monye ne lawyer say wey o baba jama be position yo only asiedu nketia na sa mo bon forget mo politics no na ka mo nim nyansa e ka mo bra ma bo bebrebe yi ene mo political ambition ka mo ma akora keto we ya ono akowuru obi fi akotwempena akose obi awade ye akotwe obi papa free ne ma ho ama ne ma ne papa anhwe ne ma da amfa na nisi ankodi ne ma chi da na nipa na say gina stage so e wa abra atiti brin oprega Priscilla ni gina hobi na oka say me yire ama ware no ni Akosua Serwaa na obai akwara ye ne mode mo political ambition mode mo adwuma ene musika ne mo bibia mo ne mo nyam nyina atoso no wanka hwe wo etisa wonye obi a wagimi a ebeda na wode wani mo nyam ene obra wa bre o political ambition nyina akwa ge we achi ama kwaku Kristo no obati wa ma ba betwiri wani magu samunjimi a yako kam si edidi atem na mama jimi fo we say ye de oye wo Ghana ewura ne ho fa ne ho free di e fa ne se Ghana obi ajimi nyansa ni bi e no kwa ne nim nyansa ye fa mo se mo ajimi ade ne me kan kire ho because Abusuapanin ni trimo no onim se mo ajimi etu o kan asem na say on record ko betia akọ court e de akọ we ni case kwase akuro sei misi se ya na jeje se ya na jeje yo tim se ja ko fo mo ajimi dodo ko na jimi too much ada mentias yo na Abusuapanin we aden oye hwan who the fuck is this Abusuapanin anunti politicians do mo politics nyina mo political careers nyina to so yeso be hina sei na mamo o baba jama be position di wo Ghana ke jimi o be pem
abusua enti baka is Tupac ebe jenesa eti eno no na yenwie kra yenwie tie sankomo wi ema me
ne mani gina ho bia na sisi ano wodi wa allegation na wo ye nyina no e hye ne ma no se ne ma no ene ma papa ne wish no ene ne nkwala ne omo kan se owu a ye nkata no so I don't know. Sometimes I still don't understand why certain people, certain Ghanaians, we are so dumb. Let us reasoning our mental faculty a little bit so that we can get into the bottom of this matter well. Because that Abusuapanin is behaving as if he's not an elderly person. He's allowing himself to be insulted. But so his posture and his sayings, are contradicting who be. I don't understand what this man is getting from what he's doing. Unless you're promising heaven and earth. If not, then I don't understand what he's doing. You an elderly or an elderly man in the family who have to stand for that family, you are doing everything possible to tarnish the image of that LUMBA. I don't understand. Now you are expecting my sweet mother, Her Excellency Akosua Serwaa, to come into your presence. Now, tell me how UTV now no. Do you regard him? Do you regard her to come and greet you? Who does that? I wasn't expecting him to even talk about Auntie Akosua coming to Kumasi. It means, Auntie Akosua ba Kumasi no. You were aware of it, sir. Mamina ba Kumasi krana, ebi krana wo, Abusuapanin kra wo queen life sua. na all share projects ni bi anase all share queen life no with tamana anti Akosua bedru Kumasi ya no all share bi I miss oma create TikTok account ni bi ama na all share wa queen life so enti what is in the name of say maame ni metia on metia no beje de eyi ni mo ye wie ana meboa now yeni yesi maame di onka so be ye eye busuafo no na em so be ye in connection to maame no where from the fact say na maame no so be ye maame no onka so be ye bia eye busuafo no ma brempo my immediate family no together with everybody who want to give a befitting barrier for that Lumba Abusuapanin there today I can pointedly say papa no woni there I thought they said that he had a will. So where from now he says it was a desire. People were having a problem with the conversation that went with the what do you call it, the presenter. I really enjoyed the certain questions now. Presenter they Abusuapanin. Na ye no kwan so because ultimate pinpoint you yi no krabi ye den efrimu emo obusa ne say na say wo na wo kan say we no enti now the will move from a will to a desire and na Mr. Tayo Kabro for pay na all can a movie from a will to a desire. I don't understand. I don't really understand what these people want unless probably
na oyale na desire kra na wonti mi meka nipa ba ko ntimi megyina meka nche say daddy Lumba ka kire mi sisi wa bra wa anya video bi a nti obi say as onipa no hwe na say moment no obi bi opese wo ya na lawyer bi ani ho a ana abusuafo ni nyina ni ho a ebi e pa abonti so ni kra beka nipa no ho no ho na nipa na sem o kan nyina no ya ye ni video na wakase me asumesi me na me kasa obi an share me ho den me okay imagine ye adwuma kama na say na me pese dachi me ni ho a mo ye machi eno no kra no won kwanti me enfant to fo so na afo ano me ka.
Let me say something. I don't believe say for me I think say I will make a statement here but I don't mean say you must say that the Lumba won fear home. No, I don't believe it. The reason why I make us I don't believe it nese on. Say ye jidane mama say wow. Yes.
Yeah, makacho say legal wise this time around no omunchele omania bri bruta wudi si ombetwa. Enti wutie enkomo na obi a ebo na echese woni abre pa enti ebusia oba so bebia wo bia no na wache wadwene se de bia meka no ene uye team side checker na do wadwenkyere no ato comment section wo edi ama me team legal wives ene ye maame Akosua Serwaa eno so no gina so akere wadwene emom no ene team koyo so papa shi no gina so akere wadwene aha eye GH report.